Anthony G13 live at the scene of a traffic accident. Truck 23 we can see is leaving. Seems to be two vehicles up here. Firefighters tending to one of the vehicles. There is children in the back. But then basically you can see AMR arriving. You can see it's these two vehicles right here. Engine 23 and AMR still on scene. Reporting live, Anthony G and San Mateo. Minimal amount of damage to the vehicles. It seems to be they're just making sure that children in the back are okay. We're reporting live, Anthony G13 at a small vehicle accident.